Hello 82nd Paratroopers. Today we're going to go over the basic kit for every rifleman. This is the Alice kit. The basic kit is going to contain the belt. Make sure it has the gray plastic hooks. You're also going to need, per SOP, which is standard operating procedure for each unit, is to have the medical pouch, which is just a compass pouch containing a standard field dressing. That is to be on the left-hand side while being worn of the paratrooper. This way, when you go over to a wounded comrade in case of an emergency, you know exactly where to find the bandage on that person. Make sure that you're using their bandage and not your own. Next up, you're going to have 2 magazine pouches. Those can be moved depending on where you want it in conjunction with your rucksack. Make sure it's comfortable. Followed by 2 canteens. Each canteen should have either a black cap or a flat green cap, as shown from the Vietnam days. SOP is to have at least 1 black cap per soldier in case of chemical or biological weapon attack. The black cap allows for it to be used with the M17 gas mask. The final piece of kit for the basic rifleman is the bayonet. That is the standard bayonet for the M16A1 rifle. And then finally we have the load-bearing suspenders. The load-bearing suspenders, I suggest using 100 mile per hour tape to secure them to the ammo pouches. And then another modification that I have done, which is commonly seen with other NCOs in the division, is using 550 cord instead of the metal buckles because it is more comfortable while ruck marching. Also acceptable is M56 suspenders. You see guys using that from time to time, also quite comfortable. But the standard is your issued Alice straps. For NCOs, which is E5 and above, team leaders, squad leaders, you can use my kit as a basic reference. For team leaders and above, I highly suggest a compass. The compass should be worn on the right-hand side when wearing the kit. The compass, make sure you have a tie-down of 550 cord, which keeps it retained in case you have to drop it while on patrol. That cord gets tied to the belt directly. Another addition for NCOs is the butt pack, either the M56 or the nylon version. All of these can be picked up at your local surplus store right outside a post. These are good for carrying extra rations, C rations, or the new MREs. And it's also good for flares, smoke grenades, whatever you need to get your squad on mission. Your jump masters usually have a form of boot knife as well, which can be used, and a flashlight. And that is your basic rifleman's kit and how it should be set up. And also remember, it's 8,600 miles to Red Square, Moscow. If you're not ready, see your NCO.